You might want to hide your Instagram account from the public audience and only want to show your posts to your friends. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram account private. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Instagram app right over here. Let's get to our profile page by clicking on our profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner and click on settings. From here, let's click privacy, and immediately you should be able to see the private account option. So in line with that is a toggle button. So just simply tap on that and this window would pop up. So switching to private account will only let your followers, the one, to be able to see your photos and videos. And take note that this won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who do not follow you if you have a private account on Instagram. Now, if you want to proceed to this decision of making your account private, just click on switch to private right over here. And your account should already be private from the public audience or from accounts that do not follow you or something like that. So if that does not work for you, make sure that your Instagram is up to date by going through your App Store or your Play Store, and then you can search for Instagram and tap on the app page. If it shows an update button, just tap on that so that you will be having all the features of the latest app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.